Welcome to our video guide on how to update your profile in the provider portal. This guide will walk you through where to find the link to the portal and how to update your data once you log in. Starting at the Child Care Resource and Referral site, iowasccrr.org, hover your mouse over the Providers tab. Once the window comes up, click Update Your File, then scroll down to find the red link. Once in the database, enter your email address and your password to log in. If you do not know your password, select Request Password. This will give you the option to re-enter your email address so that a computer automated password can be sent to you. Once logged into the provider portal, you can see your Child Care Resource and Referrals contact information at the top. You will see the following tabs: Update Data, Pictures, View Profile, Consumer Ed, Referral Counts, and Documents. We will start with the Contact Information section. This section includes all of your program information. You can update your phone numbers, email addresses, and password. Shaded information areas are read-only, meaning you don't have access to edit them. If you see something that you believe should be updated in the shaded area, please reach out to your CCR&R agency to discuss. Next is the Credentials section. This area is where you can update any certificates, degrees, or education. If you're a child care center, this area will also include staff numbers and vacancies. In the About Our Program section, you can update unique details about your environments, meals, and transportation. The Hour Schedule section allows you to update your hours of operation, any schedule details, and your yearly information. Under Program Data by Age, you can update your child care rates and any openings that you currently have. You can also include the ages you care for and any additional fee information. Last is the Special Needs tab, where you can update your support data. After all your updates are complete, click the green Save button to the right. Now we'll go back up and go through the other tabs. The Pictures tab is where you can upload images of your program. Select Add Picture and choose File to upload a picture. After a picture is selected, you are able to add a caption if you'd like, then select Upload. Just a reminder not to use images with children in them. The View Profile tab is where you can see what families who are looking for childcare see about your program. The Consumer Ed tab offers quick links to helpful resources for your childcare program. The Referral Counts tab shows you the number of times your profile has been viewed or referred to in the last 2 months. The Documents tab is where you can upload any needed documents into the system. These can only be viewed by you and CCR&R. After all editing is complete, you can simply log out of the system. Child Care Resource and Referral will be asked to approve your edits, pictures, and documents once they are uploaded and saved. You will receive an email once your information has been approved. If you have any questions, please reach out to a child care resource and referral agency. Thank you.